Hey everybody, Michael here, and I'm going to replace the engine filter in a 2004 Toyota Avalon. The engine air filter. It's located right here, right behind the battery right there, and it's a very easy job. I learned how to do this in Australia when I worked on a cattle ranch, so you are lucky enough. You get to do it with me. Alright, let's get ourselves ready. Okay, first thing, boom. We've got our air filter right here. Somebody wrote Avalon, but that's okay. The person. All right, first thing we do, we've got our air filter here. We got it from Walmart before it was a crazy place to go to. And yeah, I know the spelling is incorrect on Avalon. That's all right. Somebody wrote it, and English isn't their first language, so give them a break. All right, take it out. Just like that. Make sure it's good. Set this off to the side, because first, what we do, engine filter's right here. You just clip, pull back the clips. You get a little bit dirty. You just unhook this thing gently and pull it out. Oh, it's hot. Just like that. Ew, that's nasty. That's all dirty and ugly. So what I saw in Australia, before they would replace this, every month they'd take it out and they'd blow air through it, blow a bunch of dust out of it. But now it's time. Ooh, that is super black. Let's put the new one in. Let's compare the two filters on the ground. Make sure they're the same size. Ooh, that one got a little dusty. How'd that happen? Oh well. All right, so let's put it in. So put the dirty one right there, and you just slide it in there. Get in there. Be careful. Done something. Ow. Come on, you dingus. I hear something making that brittle plastic sound, which I don't like to hear. Got it there. There we go. It's in. There we go. All right, I got it. And we just flip it up. Come on. Harder than I remembered. There we go. Okay, so not too complicated, but a little bit annoying. Anyway, that took 3 minutes, and that saved probably about $30 or $40. So super easy. Just get that, and then in a future episode, we're gonna clean this whole engine out. We're gonna make it look beautiful. Thanks for watching. All right, I forgot one thing. When you're putting this cover back on, there's two tabs, and mine they stayed inside of it, but they might come out when you take it apart. But there's two little plastic tabs there. Man, my engine's dirty. I gotta clean it up. And just make sure they're in, and then everything else will just go right in.